Hey there, adventure seekers and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to view a GPX file in 2025. If you're into hiking, cycling, or just dealing with GPS data, you've probably come across these files, and knowing how to open them can make your outdoor planning a breeze. So, let's dive right in. First things first, what's a GPX file? It's short for GPS Exchange Format, and it's essentially a digital file that stores GPS data like tracks, routes, and waypoints. Think of it as a map of your adventures saved in a simple XML-based format. In 2025, with all the latest tech updates, viewing these files has become even easier and more interactive. To get started, you'll need a tool to view your GPX file. There are a few popular options. For beginners, I recommend using an online viewer like GPS Visualizer or the free tool on OpenStreetMap. Just head to their website, upload your GPX file, and voila! Your route appears on a map. If you prefer something more robust, download desktop software like Garmin Basecamp or Google Earth Pro. Step 1. Download and install the software from their official sites. Make sure it's the 2025 version for the best features, like enhanced 3D views. Step 2. Once installed, open the program and look for an Import or Open File option. Navigate to your GPX file. It's usually saved as a .gpx extension, and select it. Step 3. The software will process the file and display your data on a map. You can zoom in, follow the route, or even edit points if needed. One cool tip for 2025. Many apps now integrate AI to suggest improvements to your routes based on real-time data. Always double-check your file's source to avoid any corrupted data, and remember to back up your files regularly. There you have it. Viewing a GPX file is straightforward and opens up a world of navigation possibilities. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring.